Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your YouTube subscriptions from other people and make them private. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then go down and select the setting gear button right here. On the left side, you want to select the privacy button. And then subscriptions, keep all my subscriptions private. If you want to keep your subscriptions private, toggle it to the right, which would mean that all your subscriptions are now private. If you wanted to make your subscriptions public, you can just left click inside there one time and toggle it to the left, which would make the subscriptions public for everyone to see. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.